5 teas that cleanse your liver after 60. At your age, you start to notice things you once ignored. Waking up more tired than rested. Feeling heavier even when you haven't eaten much. A foggy head that just won't clear. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful teas that help cleanse your liver naturally, using plants trusted for generations. And the last one is an ancient herb almost no one talks about anymore, yet it might be your liver's greatest ally. T1. Dandelion root. Our first ally comes from the ground and grows like a weed. But don't be fooled. Dandelion root is a detox powerhouse. It stimulates bile flow, helping your liver flush out accumulated toxins, especially fats, alcohol residues, and metabolic waste. After 60, bile production slows down. That's why digestion feels heavy. And energy fades. This tea supports both liver and kidneys, making your body's detox pathways flow again. Tip: many drink this tea in spring to renew the body, but it can be used year-round. How to use: simmer 1 teaspoon of dried dandelion root in 1 cup of water for 10 minutes. Drink warm, 1 to 2 times a day. T2. Milk thistle. Next is milk thistle, the famous liver protector. Its secret is silymarin, a compound that shields liver cells from damage and helps them regenerate. If you've taken medications, antibiotics, or drank alcohol in the past decades, your liver cells have taken a hit. Milk thistle gives them a second chance. Studies show silymarin can even help reverse mild liver inflammation and promote cell repair. Good to know, you can also take it in capsules, but the tea form works gently over time. How to use: crush milk thistle seeds and steep in hot water for 15 minutes. Drink once daily, in the morning. T3. Turmeric. Now let's talk about golden medicine, turmeric. Used in ancient Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine, turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory. In the liver, it enhances bile production, protects against oxidative stress, and supports fat digestion. If your liver is sluggish, turmeric helps wake it up. But here's the key: turmeric works best with black pepper, which boosts absorption by up to 2000%. Bonus: turmeric also supports joints, brain, and blood sugar, a full-body ally. How to use: boil half a teaspoon of turmeric with a pinch of black pepper in water for 5 minutes. Add lemon and honey to taste. Drink warm, 1 to 2 times a day. T4. Peppermint. Most people think of peppermint as a digestive aid. And yes, it is. But peppermint also stimulates liver enzymes that break down fats and filter out toxins more efficiently. It's especially helpful if you feel bloated, full, or sluggish after meals. Its cooling properties also calm the stomach and reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, giving your liver more room to work. Note: peppermint is gentle and perfect for those with sensitive systems. How to use: steep 1 tablespoon of dried peppermint leaves in hot water for 10 minutes. Best taken after meals. T5. Chicory root, the forgotten tonic. Now we arrive at the final, and most forgotten, herb on our list, chicory root. Once praised by Egyptian, Greek, and Roman healers, today, almost no one remembers its power. Chicory helps decongest a fatty or inflamed liver, promotes better bile flow, and even supports blood purification. It also feeds your gut bacteria, acting as a prebiotic, which is directly linked to liver health. Why it matters: after 60, both gut and liver health decline. Chicory supports both systems at once. How to use: simmer 1 teaspoon of roasted chicory root in 1 cup of water for 15 minutes. Drink before breakfast, once a day. Many herbalists recommend rotating or combining 2 or more of these teas for even better results. Here's a simple routine: your liver is working every second of every day to keep you alive. But after 60, it doesn't work the way it used to. These 5 teas are not magic. But they are nature's way of giving your liver a break and offering gentle, consistent support. So before reaching for another pill, try reaching for a cup of healing tea instead. If you're looking for natural ways to take care of your health and well-being, you're in the right place. Subscribe to continue exploring the power of plants and natural solutions that can transform your life. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any tips that could make a real difference in your daily life. See you in the next video.